Welcome back, guys. I am the Vegan Kitty and welcome to the Vegan Kitty's Kitchen. On the menu today I will be making a vegan banana pudding using Biscoff cookies. So let's go over the ingredients. Okay, so first we're going to be using Biscoff cookies, some bananas. Let's see, I used a total of three bananas, banana pudding. You're going to need plant-based milk and some Cool Whip. So those are the ingredients. Let's cook. Okay, so now I'm going to fold in the Cool Whip. So I'm just going to fold in half of it. You know, I noticed with this keto pudding, the consistency is a little bit different. You guys notice? It's interesting to see how it come out. This is my first time working with a keto pudding. But hey, it was vegan friendly, so we had to do it, right? Okay. Alright, so we're going to refrigerate for 1 hour. And I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. It is me, the Vegan Kitty, and I am back with a review. Okay, I prepared a vegan banana pudding, and in this banana pudding I have, of course, banana pudding. I use Biscoff cookies instead of vanilla wafers because I don't like the taste of the vegan vanilla wafers, so I decided to use Biscoff cookies instead. So I want to do a review, taste test. I'm going to do a taste test. Okay, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think of it. It's melting and it's making a big mess here. Good. Wow, this is really good. Wow, it's making a mess here. So I used a banana pudding by Simply Delicious. It's keto. It's a keto banana pudding and it's vegan friendly. So what I discovered with this pudding, by it being and it's also sugar free. So you know, usually when it's sugar free, they use the sugar substitute, and I didn't like the aftertaste. So what I did to doctor it up, I had added a teaspoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of sugar, and so that gave it a pop. So it tastes a lot better. And you can just keep it plain if you like, or you can jazz it up as I did. That is so good. bite of this. That was so good. That is really good. Okay, and also guys, I have a taste test, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and so I'm going to be doing a review on the new Biscoff sandwich cookies. I guess that's what it is. There's a new Biscoff vanilla flavored cookies, and it's like a Biscoff sandwich. It's like a sandwich type cookie. That's what it looks like. It's a circular shaped cookie, and let's see, cream in the center. Let's give it a taste. It's a really good cookie. I like it. Only thing is, to me, it doesn't have enough cream in the center of it. But overall, it's a good tasting cookie. Just need some more filling in it, and it'll be a great cookie. But yeah, it's pretty good. I'll have another one. Pretty good though. It's not bad, but it could use some more cream in the middle. But what I do like, it's not, the center is really creamy. You see it like the cookie is kind of sliding off. It's kind of slide off a little. It's kind of like an icing. So that's the upside, but I need a little bit more of that. But it's pretty good though. I like it. Okay guys, this concludes my cooking tutorial, my taste test, and my review. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I am the Vegan Kitty, and this cat is out.